Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? That's good. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. And we are learning Unit 8. It's a beautiful poem with title, When I Was One. Dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of pronunciation skills, we are going to learn about rhyming words by changing first letter. Before this, in your Unit 2, my beloved country, I have taught you the concept of initial sounds. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again because this concept is going to help us to learn our today's concept, and that is to change the first letter of a word to make rhyming words and arrange a list of words in an alphabetical order. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Qur'ān.Surah Yasin verse 69, and we did not give him, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, knowledge of poetry, nor is it befitting for him. It is not but a message of a clear Qur'an. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse tells us, that Qur'an is a message from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we recite Qur'an every day. Are you learning how to recite Qur'an properly? Very good, beta. And one thing more, beta, sometime there are few surahs of Qur'an where rhyming words come, but Allah is saying this is Allah's message. This is not poetry, okay? So we should believe in Quran, we should love Quran and Sunnah of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Right? So let's start our today's lesson. First, you tell me what are initial sounds of words and what is alphabetical order. Initial sound I have taught you, as I told you, alphabetical order, maybe you know. So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could answer correctly that initial sound is the first or beginning sound that you can hear when you say any word. So beta, whenever you say a word, the very first sound, we know every letter has a sound. So when we say words, the first sound is called the initial sound. For example, look at this picture. What is this? It's loin. So when we say loin, what is the first sound we are hearing? And what letter sounds like this? Yes, it's letter L. Next is, what is this? Net, net, net. So which is the initial sound? And which letter sounds like this? That's letter N, right? Pencil, pencil, pencil. So what is the initial sound? P and P. Which letter sounds like this? That's letter P. Again, it's house, house. So what is the initial sound? And which letter sounds like that? It's letter H. So this is how we find initial sound and we relate this sound with letter, right? So we are going to practice it. Look at this picture, this practice of your page, and what we are supposed to do. We'll read each word and change the first letter to make a new word by looking at the picture. Okay, and one thing more, when we just change the first letter, the rest of the sound, the ending sound of the word remains same. That's why those words rhyme good. Those are called rhyming words. For example, now this is cat and its initial sound is k, cat, and ending sound is at. All right, now look at this picture. This is rat. It means by changing this C into R, this is small r, okay, it becomes rat, cat, rat. I have changed the initial sound, the first letter, and I got a new word, cat, rat. And interestingly, these two words are rhyming words. So this is what we are practicing. When we change the initial sound and make a new word, usually those two words are rhyming words. Are you clear? Okay, so pause the video, complete this page in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. I hope all of you changed this initial sound M into V, and it was van, hat and bat, pen and hen, map and tap, right? Okay, so this is how we have practiced the initial sound, the first letter. By changing first letter, we made new words which were rhyming words. So are you clear with the concept? Okay, I'm going to check your through an activity. So dear teachers, this activity has been given in book. What we are supposed to do? Teacher will cut a paper chart into pieces and will write rhyming words on the pieces of paper. Now she will pin a piece of paper on each child's shirt and tell students to race to their partner who has the coordinating rhyming picture. It means like there must be two words rhyming, and one child will be having one, the other will be having the other, and they will join together to tell you that they are rhyming words. So the students who finishes first, they are winner of this activity. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now you are clear with the concept of rhyming words, and you know by changing the first letter we can make rhyming words, right? Okay, now the next concept which we are going to learn, I asked you what is alphabetical order. So what is alphabetical order, beta? Alphabetical order means to arrange words or letters as they appear in the alphabet. Means the way they appear in ABC in the same order. When we arrange words, they are called alphabetical order. Are you clear? Okay, let's practice it. For example, I have given you a list of these letters and I ask you to arrange them in alphabetical order. So what you are supposed to do, the way these letters appear in ABC, you have to arrange them like that. So here D is written on first. Does D come first? No. So what comes first? A. So first of all we have to write A. What is next? B is missing, no problem. What comes after B? C, D, F, H, I, K, L, N, P, Q, T, W and Z. Now these letters are not arranged in alphabetically, but these are arranged alphabetically because these are written the way they come in alphabets in ABC. Are you clear? Okay, so this is the concept, beta. Likewise, we arrange the words by looking at the initial letter, okay, the first letter. For example, now look, if I ask you to arrange these words, what you have to do? First of all, you have to look at their first letter and you have to arrange them in the order they appear in ABC. So what comes first in ABC? A. So whatever the word which is starting with A will come first. Then next is B. There is no word starting with B. No, there is. So next come with B, C and G. This is the alphabetical arrangement of words. Are you clear? Okay, so let's practice it in your book. So all of you open your book and you have to arrange the given words in an alphabetical order. All right, so pause the video, complete this exercise in your notebooks and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? All right, so it's time for your homework. You will write 10 words in your notebook. First you will write 10 words and then you will arrange those words in an alphabetical order and you will write them again. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are supposed to do, once again a word is given, you have to look at the picture and make a rhyming word. It's cat, so as hat, so you will write that rhyming word over here by changing first letter. Okay, so this is how you will complete this worksheet. And what we have learned today, we learned that by changing fourth letter we can make rhyming words, and we also learned to arrange words in alphabetical order. So we achieved our SLOs to change the fourth letter of a word to make rhyming words and arrange a list of words in an alphabetical order. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.